Here's a method that will help you if you want to stop drinking alcohol. Instead of looking at it as I need to stop drinking alcohol, look at it as I'm replacing, right? So you're replacing alcohol with water or healthy beverages. You're replacing drunken conversations with deep, meaningful ones. You're replacing escaping, numbing with tuning in to your true self, figuring out who you are, what you want out of life. You are replacing watching TV, eating unhealthy food, and just not caring with exercise, healthy food, and caring about yourself, right? These are the kinds of changes that if you start shifting to that mentality, it'll make it a lot easier and more of a fun journey to quit drinking, as opposed to I'm just gonna stop, I gotta white knuckle my way through this and hope that eventually I'll start to feel better and all this kind of stuff. It's all in how you perceive it, right? Your mindset is going to be huge. So instead of quitting drinking, look at it as what am I replacing old habits, old mindset with new habits and new mindset with? If you need more help with this, I'm happy to. Send me a DM anytime.